Hey guys, alrighty. So we officially had a new all-time high on Qs today. It looks like the bulls are just going to continue their push to the upside. Today was a little more choppy than the last couple days, and especially on NQ for actually hitting the all-time highs in the Qs today. We actually had a lot of choppiness, and this morning we had a lot of very hard drops that were very quick on the about the 1 minute time frame. Almost every 15-minute candle that opened during opening hour got immediately dropped, but then it immediately got wicked and bought right back up. So today looks like we are officially breaking out. So if you look at SPY right now, we had put in a new demand at 469.14. We had, as of yesterday, a really nice resistance at 472.57 demand or supply right there. You can see we broke through and closed over that. So really our next target is basically all-time highs, which is about 480. So that's kind of where I'm looking. That's about a $5 day from here. Likely we could hit that tomorrow. We're only averaging really about a $3 day lately though. So it would be a bigger day. If you look at how small our candles have been, really FOMOC was our biggest day that we've had in probably since back here on November 10th. So overall, I see absolutely no reason to look for shorts in this market. You can see even our bull channel, the 8 EMA support is just riding that all the way up. And really until we break that bull channel and really break under the 20 EMA support, I see no reason to even entertain shorts. Even super long-term shorts, you are just going to get ate up by the time it even plays out for you. Going over to futures here, same thing. We have a nice demand at 47.67. We broke through our 47.83 resistance actually yesterday. And today we have a nice continuation candle to the upside. So again, nice upside move. Since we are at all-time highs technically on futures, mostly because of the contract roll. I don't have any actual upside targets, but I would look for 48.50 to really 48.75 as our next big upside move. Going over the Qs, same thing. So we had put in a new demand at 403.24. We had resistance at 405.7 last week. We broke through that officially yesterday, and today we had a follow-through continuation day. We got the new all-time high, so officially all-time highs for the Qs is 409.28. And again, really until we're back under minimally 403.24, but realistically the 20 EMA support, there's no reason at all to be short-term biased. If you zoom out here, this has just been pretty much one incredible push to the upside, and there's no reason to expect it to stop. This market is in full upside trend right now, and really until it changes, you're just wasting money, in my opinion, betting against that momentum. Going over here to NQ, we also have a new demand that we put in earlier this week at 16,738. Same thing, broke out all-time highs. Targets are 17,100 to 17,200. Same thing, we're just riding that 8 EMA up. Honestly, we haven't even touched it since December 7th. We have just been straight pushing. So same thing, no reason to be looking for downside. Really, it's just buy the dip, Be patient enough, give yourself enough room, and just buy the dip and ride the momentum up. Now, when we look at the VIX here, the VIX, as you can see, since basically November 22nd, has been in a massive chop range from 12.06 to 13.17. We have numerous times attempted to break over the daily 8 EMA, and then almost every single time you can see we rejected. Now, today we did get basically back-to-back closures of the same kind of structure here, but same thing, we just cannot break out. So actually the VIX is in weekly extreme bear momentum and daily bear momentum. Now futures for ES and NQ, SPY and Qs are all in daily extreme bull momentum. So again, realistically, I would say until we close over 13.17, probably even 13.46, which that would be from close just for fun, would be about, it's only a 7.6% day. That's not that big of a day on the VIX. The VIX has had some pretty, significantly large days. So, that's not that big of a move up. We've seen bigger moves pre-market. So, same thing though, no reason to be looking for downside. Everything in this market just says continue to buy the dip, continue to look at the upside. And realistically, until that changes, that's what we're going to do. So, all right, guys, I hope you guys had a good day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.